days of YouTube TV's singular subscription plan are over, and the company's finally rolling out new genre-specific packages. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. YouTube TV's ditching its one-for-all plan and finally rolling out cheaper genre-based packages, but they fumbled one thing that has sports fans fuming. Since 2017, subscribers have been stuck paying $82.99 a month for the full bundle of 100+ channels, whether they watch them or not. Now, YouTube TV's breaking things up with more than 10 new content plans designed to give viewers more control and potentially save some cash. Sports lovers can grab the new sports plans for $64.99 a month, packed with major broadcasters like FS1 and NBC Sports. You want headlines with the highlights? Make it Sports Plus News Plan for $71.99, and you'll get CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC's too. And for movies and shows fans, the $54.99 entertainment plan includes favorites like FX, Hallmark, Comedy Central, Bravo, and Food Network. There's also a News plus Entertainment plus Family bundle for $69.99 for grown-up and kids-friendly streaming. Sounds like a win, right? Well, it's not. ESPN Unlimited is missing from the sports plan and won't arrive for at least 6 months. For many die-hard fans, that's a total deal-breaker, and it sparked some wild speculation online. Some subscribers blame YouTube's fallout with Disney, which temporarily pulled 20 Disney-owned channels from the platform. Others think it could simply be technical delays, pointing to similar long waits after Disney renewed deals with other providers. Whatever the reason may be, fans are thrilled. YouTube TV may be offering more flexible bundles now, but without ESPN, the sports fans are looking at it with a side eye. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.